Are you sick of the same runaround that you get from 9 to 5 jobs? People controlling your life, people telling you where to be, when to do it, all that stuff. You're not alone. Don't worry. The only way a lot of us have to, get ahead is to get a second job, is to work more hours at the job that you generally don't like that well. Listen, my name's Frank. I'm 54 years old. I have been running that corporate game for a long time. I've been running. I realize I've got no retirement. I've got nothing going on. I don't want to work until the day I die. Like I said, I'm 54, man. I don't want to work until I'm 80 years old. I work with a guy, he's 84 years old. He says, "Oh, I'll probably be here until I die." That is not what I want for myself. I want more time. I want more time that I can spend with my family, with my friends, just doing stuff that I want. I used to travel all the time. Now I don't have A, the money to be able to travel, B, the time off to be able to travel. And the other deal is if I take time off to travel, that means I'm not working. I don't get paid a salary. So it costs me double because I'm spending money that I'm not making. So it's absolutely crazy. I started an online business. It's allowing me to work 2 hours a day, and it's taking care of everything. And look, like I said, I'm 54. I don't have a lot of tech skills. I don't know a lot about this AI stuff and all this other thing that the kids do in the Snap. I have no idea. When I need stuff done, I ask my nieces to do it for me because they know what's going on. So I started this online company. It's going great. Like I said, it's given me the freedom to do what I want, to pay my bills, everything great. I'd love to tell you more about it. Drop "Let's Go" in the comments. I'll send you a blueprint of exactly how I did it, and you can get some freedom for yourself.